So I picked up a new microphone the other day. What I picked up was the Insta360 MIC PRO. I didn't get this because it's got 32-bit float audio. And I didn't get it because it's got an extended battery life of 30 hours. And I didn't get it because it's got a 400-meter range. I'm not 400 meters away, but my shop is small. And I definitely didn't buy it because it's got auto gain controls. And I didn't get it because it's got an AI chip that helps with noise cancelling. And I didn't get it because it's got a 3-mic array with directional pickup. The main reason I got this Insta360 microphone setup is because when you are filming content and you are trying to promote your business, the last thing you want is something on your chest or your lapel or wherever. If you're going to hold it up in front of your face, the last thing you want is something that's got another company's brand on it. And this is where I think they absolutely nailed it. So not only with this pack do you get the whole receiver, 2 transmitters, you've got the magnets, you've got the wind guards, you've got the cables, and you've got like little traveling case to go with it as well. You get this. This is something I saw at the Wales and West photography show. I was down there, and as soon as I seen it, I was just like sold, because as somebody that is trying to promote my new business, I'm able to now have my business logo on my microphone. And I would much rather have that on the front of my microphone than another company's logo. So yeah, so for me, this is an absolute winner chicken dinner. The audio that comes from it is class. Like, this is me talking now, you can hear it, it sounds really good, it's nice to work with, especially with that 32-bit float audio. You don't have to worry about things clipping and so on. And even, it doesn't really matter if you got I got the Nikon ZR. That's got 32-bit float audio built in as well, so happy days there. But if you're using something like the Insta360 Luna, then having one of these that does 32-bit float audio is class. It pairs seamlessly with it, and then you can also pair it with other devices. You can plug the receiver into your iPads, your iPhones, what other devices you want to use, your cameras and so on. All in all, this is a sick piece of kit, and I cannot believe it's taken till now for somebody to come up with that. Like, honestly, genuinely, like when I first saw them, I was like online, I thought, they look fucking big. I don't know if I'm gonna like the look of them. But then as soon as I saw them in person at the show and I got hands on with it and I seen that you could do this with the logo, that was me sold. So yeah, if you're looking to get into content creating, or you just wanna improve your quality of audio whilst also promoting your business instead of someone else's, the Insta360 microphones are definitely something to take a look at. I'm gonna test them out for a while now, and then I will do a long film review in a couple of months. But first impressions and first time using them, this is a no-brainer for me. It's even if I go and do work for other people, because as well as being a tattoo artist, I am a videographer and I do film content for people as well. So now, if I do go and film content for people, I can put their businesses' logos on here and it just looks cool. So there we go. I'm done. Have an awesome day, and I'll catch you in another video. Take it easy. Oh yeah, I always forget this. Don't forget, like, subscribe and all that stuff, yeah? Nice one.